So we start off today's video with this gorgeous long to short transformation. Wow. Absolutely stunning asymmetrical pixie style. Loving the cut and the color combination. And I really like the texture that the stylist did going there through the bangs. This is absolutely incredible. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some short styles. So here we have another pixie haircut. This one features more like the shaven look underneath, making it like an undercut style pixie. And then we have another undercut style pixie with some beautiful platinum hair coloring, followed by another long to short transformation. So it looks like she ended up getting a classic pixie haircut, nice spiky texture going there. Some choppy layers, bangs to frame the face, gorgeous. And then we have an undercut style with bangs. This one features a very nice design going there in the back, very creative. Followed by someone getting a mullet haircut. So as you guys know, the mullet is trending heavily. It's a very chic and rocker stylish inspired look. This variation features some long sideburns, beautiful bangs going in the front. Very nice line parting design. So let me know in the comments below, would you ever rock a mullet? So next up we have another long to short transformation. She has this gorgeous thick wavy hair. It's like some grown out color. Wow, gorgeous platinum pixie style with the finger waves. What a remarkable switch up. Wow. And then we have someone rocking a pink pixie style. This is a really pretty unique and vibrant pink hue that she has here. And then we have a lavender and blonde style. So then we have another pixie that features the blonde hair color trend. That is a nice mixture of brunette and blonde. Followed by another spiky kind of pixie here with the platinum hair coloring. Nice kind of mohawk style. Oh, a nice buzz cut or faded cut. Very nice. And then we have kind of another faded variation. Nice line design going there on the side, through the back. I love it when we can see a full 360 of a haircut. And I do have a couple of videos showcasing some more styles like that if you want to check them out. Wow, look at this neon green and yellow faded pixie. Very cool. I like how her lashes are like mismatched too. She's got like white on one side and black on the other. Then we have someone who already has an undercut. Looks like she's going much shorter. And she does maintain her natural texture with this style. Very cool. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all of the hairstyles featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.